Hey everyone, this is Cream with Four Horsemen Trading, and this is our racetrack video series where we talk about recent trades that we did. We go over them and why we took the trade and what we're expecting in the future. Hopefully you guys will be able to learn a few things based on our method. And if you haven't heard of Four Horsemen Trading, we are a all-in-one resource for the active trader. So everything you need from watch list to news to technical analysis to pattern and chart trading, we will help provide that. And we have a team, a really great team of horseman traders that are always active on our Discord. And we also do a newsletter where we release our weekly watch list for free. We also have a daily watch list. We have our daily key levels, our morning news brief, and our technical analysis for our morning news brief plays. So subscribe to our newsletter to get that. And if you're a more active trader and you want to trade live, join our Discord. We do live call outs. And we're day trading almost all day, not over trading, of course, because that's serious business. And yeah, here, take a look. I'll show you guys our newsletter. This is our newsletter here. It's the we use Substack, and you can see we do our morning news brief. We do our technical analysis for those plays, daily key levels. Those are for our paid members. And then we do our weekly watch list for free. Our morning news brief is also free, and daily watch list as well. So yeah, there's always something to watch in this market. There's always something going on. It's never ending. I know it sounds horrible, but we love it though. Here is our Discord. We got our premium chat where we do all the day trading call outs, and then we have our swing day trades. We have a lot in the Discord. I'm not going to go through it all right now, but yeah. So here is the play. Today was RIOT, and it was a pretty easy play. I'm hesitant to say easy in the market because nothing's really easy, but everything seemed to work out on this one. There was news on this last night. So I got the news last night that RIOT purchased 18,000 Antminer, like Bitcoin miners from Bitmain. And we've seen this stock run on that news before. So I was keeping my eye on it. And first thing I did was look at the daily chart. We have two charts here. We have the 5-minute on the left, the daily on the right. So the daily chart was giving us a double bottom at 22. The circles there, they identified double bottom. And so I thought that was an interesting sort of bullish reversal setup on the daily. And then we have this news today. So, and you have resistance over here on the daily, first at 25, and then I identified the 28 to 30 area for more major resistance. So there's room to run. The MACD is, in a downtrend, but it's crossing over. So when this happens, we can usually get a nice pop. Even though it's still in downtrend, we can see a nice pump. Those pumps, they don't always hold though, especially if a stock is in a downtrend. There could be profit taking very quickly, so you don't want to hold for too long, in my opinion. And then you have the RSI at 44, lots of room to run. We were also looking at Bitcoin last night because this is a Bitcoin play, RIOT, and Bitcoin plays tend to run with Bitcoin sometimes. Right now you have Bitcoin consolidating at around 45,000. And because it's consolidating, we like that. It means it's steady. It means it's not going to make any big moves that might also impact RIOT. So we got up this morning a little bit late. Unfortunately, I slept in, but we made it. We made it in time to put RIOT on our watch list. So you can see we have our morning news brief posted RIOT. And then if you're a paid member, you click that button and you get the morning technical analysis, which also had RIOT here. RIOT with a key level of 23. So we put this out in the morning before the market opened. We had a range 25, 28, 30 with a bounce area at 22 with a key level at 23. So here we go. We have the key level at 23. Stock gapped up. Very nice gap up. It wasn't a gap up into resistance. It was a gap up, just a sort of slight gap up. And we like that. That's good for a possible move right off in the right from the start. If it was a gap up towards resistance, then we might see profit takers coming in and a lot of selling. And so if that happens and you want to wait and see where that support comes in. But this was a slight gap up, and it was a gap up above our key level, which we want to have for a long bias. We want the price to trade above our key level for a long bias. Then you had higher lows, which gave you a nice risk level, and a breakout of the 23.5 area, which was the pre-market high. And that breakout went $1, which was a very nice trade if you took the breakout 23.5 to 24.5. Then we had a nice pullback with the market, and we tried to find support, and support came right at the key level of 23. And it gave us a hammer candle and our second entry. The hammer candle is a bullish reversal candlestick. So, and when we get that right off of our key level, that's a good sign. And I was confident to add more there. And we broke the VWAP and then retested it, but was unable to break out again. So we traded back underneath. And then we made a higher low, giving us another hammer candle. So I added third entry there. And because this is a swing play, you don't want to add everything all at once, all of your position all at once. You want to add slowly, add in a way where it's okay if it dips, if the price dips, because you're not going to freak out because you're planning on adding more anyways. But make sure you have a key level or a stop loss where when the price hits that, the play no longer exists. The setup no longer exists. Our setup here today gave us no indication of weakness. So, and the fact that we have a lot of space here, it bodes well. My plan is to sell half at 25 and sell the rest over here at 28.30 area. So this was our trade on RIOT, RIOT, and yeah, if you want to check us out, come trade with us in the Discord or sign up for the newsletter. Check out the description below. And if you learned anything on this, or you like the video, give us a like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and we'll see you out in the market. Thanks, guys.